Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find trip computer, tinted glass, cargo net, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, compass. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.